First time. Happy Tuesday and happy week 26, boys and girls. I'm your PE teacher, Miss Miguel. You could also call me your physical education teacher. I'm your PE teacher, your physical education teacher. PE teacher? Physical education teacher. It's the same thing. It's the same difference. Let's start by warming up our engines to prevent injuries. And because we can't stretch cold muscles. We can't. Don't. 60 seconds on the clock, anyone? 1 minute is 60 seconds. Boom, let's go. First, we're gonna jog, and we're jogging. Then we're gonna do something called high knees. So you're gonna bring your knees up as high as you can, okay? Whatever you do, don't stop moving. We're gonna go high knees. We're gonna bring our knees as high up as we can, as high as you can. If you wanna jog it, you can too, like this. And back to jogging. And high knees. Good. High knees, high knees, high knees. Here we go. Back to our jog. Time check. 16 seconds. Here we go. You know what? Let's pick up this jog and go a little faster. Go closer. Closer. Warm up. Check. Next, 6 stretches in 60 seconds. Oblique stretch. Remember, our obliques are here. Abs and obliques aren't too far, so our obliques,
That's all, folks.
So our obliques are here. We're gonna put one hand on our side. Your feet can be together, and then reach to the opposite side. Switch. Slowly lean over and reach. I'm bending this knee. When you switch, you can bend your opposite knee. Good. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Nailed it. You nailed it.
You nailed it. You nailed it. You nailed it.
You nailed it!
You don't love me!
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man stretch, we're here. We're gonna bend down into a squat, and then we're gonna put one foot out and point that toe to the sky or to the ceiling, same thing. If you wanna add an extra stretch to this, you can reach for your toe. If not, try to sit up as high as you can, as straight as you can, and we're gonna switch. So you can bring in that foot and put out your other one. Remember, if you wanna add an extra stretch, you can touch your toe. We're feeling that big stretch here on the inside of our legs. Awesome job. Next, we'll go to neck stretch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hand, we're gonna pull our head to the side gently. Nice to your head. Just be nice to it. Switch. Pull to the other side. Good. Then we're gonna interlock our fingers. I can do it. No. Here, boom, nailed it. So we're gonna put our hands behind our head and pull down. That's cool, totally normal thing. I walk around like this actually. And back up. Now we're gonna stretch our shoulders, so we're gonna roll them forwards. So they're here. Bring your shoulders forwards. Nice. Now let's go backwards with them. Good. Let's do like 2 more. Good job with your shoulders. Look at you. Last is the wrist stretch. So go ahead and turn your hand. And then take your other hand and just pull back. Don't hurt yourself, please. Ooh, I can feel that in my bicep. You remember bicep? Yeah, me too. Good. We'll switch to the other hand. Turn it around and pull it back. We're stretching out our wrist. Stretching our bicep, all kinds of stuff's getting stretched in our arm. Today, we will explore our bicep muscle, do one full plank, eat pizza and like a bunch of Takis, for like 50 hours. No, we will not do that. Do push-ups, bake a cupcake that is 7 feet tall. Again, no. Do curl-ups, hug another dog. Oh, that was really cute. Do trunk lifts and record our BPM. Let's take a look at our bicep again today. Oh yeah, that's how it's spelled. Isn't it kind of weird that it's spelled with a C and it's spelled bicep? Kind of looks like it should be spelled like this. Yeah, but it's spelled like this. Bicep. Say it with me. Bicep. So let's explore it. Today, we're gonna explore it some more. Yesterday, we twisted our wrist and we could feel the change in our muscle, in our bicep muscle. So today, we're gonna lean our arm all the way out. We're gonna stretch it out as far as we can. And I want you to put your hand right over that bicep muscle. It kind of feels like a little ball, except for maybe not when you have your arm extended all the way out. So what we're gonna do is feel our bicep. As we bring our arm back to this flex position, I want you to feel the changes in your muscle. Do that now. Mine feels like super flat right now, but then as soon as I come up, it kind of turns into a ball. Feel that muscle. Very cool. The bicep muscle was invented by Theodore Biceples. No, who's giving her this information? It's not, there's no Theodore Biceples. That wasn't right. Good, now that you've put it down and you've stretched it all the way back to you, I want you to flex those biceps again.
Check it out. You want arms like these?
Feel that bicep one more time, and I want you to squeeze it, flex it and squeeze it. Feel how it sits, how that muscle kind of just sits on your arm, on that bone.
Say bicep 4 times. Ready? Bicep, 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 bicep. This is not Miss Miguel.
Now we're gonna move on to the full plank. When we do a full plank, we're gonna extend our arms all the way out. Ready?
Oh, yep, I like clapping and snapping.
Bicep, bicep. Bicep, bicep. Whoa, did you guys see my watch fly off my arm? Time out. Well, that's a broken little bummer. Here we go, full plank, arms extended. We're gonna go here. Arms are fully extended. Remember, no booty mountain, no booty valley. And let's go. Yes! Full plank city!
Full plank city.
That's where we live right now. If I'm pointing to my bicep, I want you to nod. Yes, you're pointing to your bicep. If I'm not, I want you to shake your head. No, that's not your bicep. Ready? No, that wasn't it either. That's my chin. Bicep. Say bicep 5 times, as fast as you can. Bicep, 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 bicep.
It kind of sounds like bicep, bicep. No, I don't. It's all good. Again!
Bicep, 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 bicep! How many biceps do we have? If we have 2 arms, we have 2 biceps. Just saying. Next up, push-ups. First, bend your knees and squat down. Crawl forward and get on your tiptoes. Remember, no booty mountain and no booty valley. Now let's talk about Tusmanos, your hands.
They need to be pointed forwards. They cannot be turned inwards. And they cannot be turned outwards. They must be turned forwards.
And we can't forget our elbow's 90-degree angle. When you go down to touch your chest to the box, try to get your elbow as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. If you are still having difficulty with push-ups, you can change over to modified push-ups. Modified push-ups are a way to train for push-ups by taking some of the weight off of your upper body. The difference between modified push-ups and push-ups is that your knees are touching the ground. Okay, exercisers, it's goal time again. What is your push-up goal for today? Are you going to try to do 2? 4? Are you going to try to go all the way to 10? Whatever your goal is, make sure it's either the same as yesterday or at least one more.
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, down, up, 6, down, up, 7, down, up, 8, down, up, 9, down, up, 10.
What is your curl-up goal, exercisers? Is it 1? Is it 6? Or maybe you're trying to go all the way to 12 today. Make sure your goal today is either the same as yesterday or one more than yesterday at the very least. If you do need someone to hold your feet down, that's okay if your curl-ups are looking like this. Remember, feet flat, hands flat, knees to the sky. Make sure your hands are sliding forward across the ground with each curl-up. If you need someone to hold your feet, here are a few different ways they can do that. And if there's no one available to help you, remember you can always put something heavy on your feet or put your feet underneath a chair or couch.
We'll begin the curl-ups now. Ready? Begin. Up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 6, up, down, 7, up, down, 8, up, down, 9, up, down, 10, up, down, 11, up, down, 12.
And now we're moving on to trunk lifts. You're going to lay down on your stomach. You're going to make sure your palms are facing up. And you're going to lift up, bringing your chin up as far as you can. Let's do 5 trunk lifts together. Up, 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5. 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat, 10 beat, 10 beat 6. Hi guys, it's BPM Girl here, and we're going to calculate our BPM right now using 10 beat 6. Find your pulse. 10 seconds. Count your beats. Go. Stop! We counted our beats for 10 seconds. Seconds. I just counted 14 beats. Why is there like a big old space there? I don't know why I did that. We counted for 10 seconds and we had 14 beats. Now, 6 groups of 10 seconds equals 1 minute. Beats per minute. See what I did there? Okay, so I had 14 beats. That means it's going to be 14 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. So my BPM is 84. What's yours? You need a second? Take your time. Like, we're all friends here. Point to my bicep. Point to your bicep. Point to both of your biceps. Question. Where is Sandy's bicep muscle? Circle 1, 2, or 3? The correct answer is circle number 2.